So portfolio management services, as the name says, is a service. Very, very big difference. So when it comes to adopting any service, it's like, like you adopt a service of a doctor, an expert, or a service of a chartered accountant or a lawyer. So whereby you have a portfolio, you have a demat account, but an expert is going to manage that demat account for you. It is the expert that you have hired based on some track record for private services. It's like your personalized demat account, in which same way, the way you are buying and selling shares yourself, now you're not doing it yourself, but it is some expert, and you have selected that expert based on his track record, based on his philosophy, based on what were your investment objectives. Likewise, now there's another tool to invest, which is called AIF. AIF is a fund, alternative investment fund, same like you can say a mutual fund in terms of structure. It's an extension of mutual fund. It's a pooled structure. It's not a private service that you're adopting, but hereby you're giving money to a pool whereby a lot of other equal minded fund managers with similar investment objectives are giving money to that particular fund, for that fund to manage that money for you. This is the basic difference. One is a simple demat based structure where there's a personalized private management of funds for you, and hence it is a service. The other is a fund, and it is not a service. The second difference is that in case of a PMS, you can mostly invest into listed equities, because listed equities is a core of any investor's portfolio.
मैं जो समझ रहा हूँ, आप कह रहे हैं कि म्यूचुअल फंड में जब आप एक स्कीम लेते हैं तो जो भी फंड मैनेजर तय करते हैं आप उसके साथ चलते हैं, राइट? तो पीएमएस में क्या आप कह रहे हैं कि जो निवेशक है वो, क्योंकि ये सर्विस है जैसे आपने कही, तो उसमें उसका एक रोल बन जाता है, निवेशक का पोर्टफोलियो शिफ्ट कर सकता है बात करके अपने पीएमएस एडवाइस, कैसे, क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में?
दोनों तरह के ऑप्शंस होते हैं, डिस्क्रिशनरी एंड नॉन डिस्क्रिशनरी. मोस्टली डिस्क्रिशनरी पीएमएस ही अच्छे होते हैं, बट देयर आर नॉन डिस्क्रिशनरी पीएमएस ऑल्सो. जो डिस्क्रिशनरी पीएमएस है उसमें डिस्क्रिशन पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर की ही होती है. It is the portfolio manager who we have selected in the beginning, and he is the one who will take decisions. But because this is your personalized portfolio, you have full access in terms of information. Unlike in case of a mutual fund, you may not have access. You will only get a fact sheet at the end of the month that these are the stocks in terms of names and allocations in terms of numbers which are being held in your portfolio at a large pool level, at a fund level. But in case of a PMS, because it is your personal portfolio, you have a personal demat account, you are the shareholder of each and every company which is being held, and hence you have full information that I am a shareholder of these companies in this percentage allocation. But there is another subcategory which is non-discretionary, whereby obviously there is a discretion of a investor as well, in consultation with the portfolio manager कि क्या buy करना है क्या नहीं buy करना.